Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize a Landbot chatbot in 2026. Whether you want to match your brand, improve the conversation experience, or make your chatbot look more professional, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your web browser and sign into your Landbot account. Next, from your dashboard, select the chatbot you want to customize. Now open the Chatbot Builder to access your conversation flow and design settings. Next, edit the welcome message so it clearly introduces your business and greets visitors in a friendly way. Now customize the chatbot's colors, theme, fonts, and chat bubble style to match your brand identity. Next, upload your business logo or chatbot avatar if the customization option is available. Now update the conversation by editing messages, questions, buttons, and quick reply options to create a smoother user experience. Next, add images, videos, emojis, or GIFs where appropriate to make your chatbot more engaging. Now review the chatbot settings, including the bot name, language, widget position, and other display preferences. Finally, preview your chatbot, test every conversation path, save your changes, and publish the updated chatbot. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize a Landbot chatbot. Your chatbot is now more attractive, interactive, and aligned with your brand. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.